Welcome to Philadelphia, one of the 7 churches of Revelation. Unlike the other churches in the book Revelation, Philadelphia received no rebuke from Jesus, only encouragement and a promise of reward for their faithfulness. This city was known as the city of brotherly love, and its spiritual message is just as relevant for us today as it was to the early believers. Philadelphia was founded in the 2nd century BC. It was named because of the deep affection that the king had for his brother. This legacy of brotherly love gave the city its name and identity. Strategically located along trade routes, Philadelphia became a gateway city and was often called the open door to the east. But what makes it truly significant is the message Jesus gave this church in Revelation. Philadelphia was prone to earthquakes, and much of its population had to flee the city multiple times. Yet despite its instability, Jesus offers them something unshakable, a place in his eternal kingdom. In Revelation 3 verse 8, it records Jesus' words to the church of Philadelphia. "I know your works. See, I've set before you an open door that no one can shut. For you have a little strength. You have kept my word and have not denied my name." This church was small and had little strength, but it remained faithful. Because of their endurance, Jesus promised them an open door, a symbol of access to God's kingdom. In contrast to the other churches that struggle with compromise, Philadelphia stood firm. Jesus commended them, saying, "Because you have kept my command to preserve, I will also keep you from the hour of trial, which shall come upon the whole world, to test those who dwell on the earth." Their faithfulness in the face of challenge is a powerful example for us today. Philadelphia was a city that knew what it meant to have instability, yet Jesus offers a promise in Revelation 3 verse 12 that he who overcomes, I will make him a pillar in the temple of my God, and he shall go out no more. For a people who often had to flee due to earthquakes, this promise of security and belonging would have been incredibly meaningful. A pillar is strong, immovable, and essential for holding up a structure. Jesus invites us to be spiritual pillars, unshaken by trials, unwavering in faith, and firmly grounded in Him. The church in Philadelphia teaches us a vital lesson. Faithfulness matters. No matter how small or weak we may feel, Jesus sees our endurance and perseverance and our commitment to Him. The open door He set before them is still open to us today. Will you walk through it? Will you remain faithful to Him? Like, follow, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next episode of From Egypt to Eternity.